Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your Forex.com account using your Forex.com application on your mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open up your Forex.com app on your device, and once you're inside the main home page of Forex.com, go ahead and tap on the profile icon or the account button at the bottom right corner. After you tap on the account option, go ahead and look for the logout button within the menu. Tap on the logout button and you will then be logged out of your Forex.com account right away. You are now logged out and you can safely close the application. That is how you can easily log out of your Forex.com account using the Forex.com mobile app. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Trading for Beginners for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.